Hi kids, today we will learn fun rain vocabulary in Kids Club. Rainbow. A colorful arc that appears in the sky after a rain shower. Clouds. A fluffy, white shapes in the sky made of tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Raindrop. A single drop of rain. Umbrella, a tool we use to keep dry when it's raining. Puddle, a small pool of water, especially one formed from rain. Raincoat, a coat we wear to stay dry in the rain. Drizzle, a light rain with very fine drops. Thunder, the loud noise that comes after lightning. Lightning, a bright flash of electricity produced by a thunderstorm. Flood, when there's too much water and it covers land that's usually dry. Shower, a short period of rain. Mist, tiny water droplets in the air which make it look foggy. Splash, the sound or action of something hitting the surface of a liquid. Boots, shoes that keep our feet dry in the rain. Overcast, when the sky is completely covered by clouds. Damp, slightly wet, not dry. Downpour, a lot of rain in a short time. Mud, wet, soft earth. Thunderstorm, a storm with thunder, lightning, and heavy rain. Monsoon, a season of heavy rains. Slicker, another word for a raincoat. Spout, where the water pours out, like on a teapot or a gutter. Deluge, a sudden, very heavy rainfall. Ripple, small waves or circles made in water. Torrent, a strong, fast-moving stream of water. Cloudburst, a sudden, heavy rainfall that can be unexpected. Soak, to become completely wet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.